So in this tutorial we're going to look at how we can connect to data sources. So I have some Excel data over here, so let's take a look at it here. Then data. So I have some financial sample data over here. So I want us to open it and look at how it looks like, and you realize that we have this column called segment, country, product up to year, and you can scroll down to see the number of rows that we have, and you realize that is around 701 rows. Okay, so we are going to load this data in Power BI. So when we come to Power BI, we can see something like get data over here. We can use this one, or we can actually come and use this section. Okay, but for this particular tutorial, we want to get our data from this particular area. So it opens this window for us, asking us to select the type of data we want to fetch. Okay, so this is all, and it's actually displaying all the sources you can fetch the data from, and you realize that Power BI can actually read from a bunch of data sources like Excel, CSV, XML, JSON. You can even load data from folders and that. SQL Server database, Access database, all these databases are here. So depending on the kind of database technology you're using, you can choose any of them to connect to your data. Okay, so for this section we want to use Excel, so I'll choose Excel and connect. Document, you can see data, then financial sample. I'm going to select that one. I will wait for it to connect. This one here, and then this particular one over here. Okay, so for instance, if I choose this one, you will see there's the data in it. If I should choose financial, okay, this is what it's showing. So we want to select financial for now. Okay, now you realize that I'll have to check this box before you can actually load that particular data. Okay, so if you click on this, it's going to give you a preview of that data. So we want to select this, so we check. So for now, let's assume that the data is clean and we load it. So yeah, it's done loading the entire data. So you realize that this is the financials, the data we took, and this is the sales, COGS, I don't know what it is. You have country over here, the date, there's kind of a whole bunch of things over here, okay, that we can work around.